In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create multiple YouTube channels with one Gmail account. This is useful if you want separate channels for different types of content, like one for personal uploads and another for a brand or a specific topic, while still signing in with the same Google account. Start by going to YouTube in your web browser and making sure you are signed in. Look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This opens the account menu where you can access settings for your YouTube presence. From that menu, click Settings. Once the Settings page loads, find and select Account. Inside the Account section, look for an option that says Add or Manage Your Channels. Click that, and you will be taken to a page that shows any channels already connected to your account. This area is where you can create new channels and manage existing ones without logging into a different email. Next, click Create a Channel. You will usually see this as a plus icon. When you select it, YouTube will ask for the new channel name. Type the channel name you want viewers to see. Take your time here because the name is what people will recognize and it should match the type of content you plan to upload. After you enter the name, you will see a consent box. Check that box to confirm you agree to the terms shown on the screen. This is required before YouTube can create the new channel under your account. Now click Create. After a moment, YouTube will generate your new channel and you can begin customizing it, uploading videos, and adjusting settings later. If you plan to make more than one additional channel, go back to the Add or Manage Your Channels page again. From there, you can repeat the same create process for each new channel you want to add. Once you have multiple channels, remember that switching between them is done from your profile icon menu, so you can move between channels quickly while staying logged in to the same account. That covers everything you need to know.